send one right here. Cause yeah, let's do it. I mean, it's not a dirt road, but it looks like there's some cow shit on the road. Fucking awesome. That'll go well in the turbo air filter there. That'll look great. What's going on, everybody? It's SRT Boost. Driving out in the country again. I'd love to take you guys around my neighborhood and, in Toronto, but man, I can't stress this enough. There's too much traffic. It's not worth it. How you guys all doing? I hope you guys are doing good, and I hope everything is well for everybody. So, yes, here we are again. Look at all the farm fields. And yet again, it's raining. Great summer so far. Super, super awesome. Yeah. Yeah, it's hilarious. April was like cold. It was cold. Then May, actually no, we had some nice days in April. And again, a couple of videos ago with the car, it was, I had problems with the car, so I wasn't able to take it out, right? If you want to know what happened, just go back 2 videos ago with the car video. Right. Back to today. So, yeah. May, cold. Just garbage. Just all garbage. Just rainy, cold. I was like, oh my God. Need a break here. And then all of a sudden, June rolls around, which we are in now. And you have like 2 nice days during the week. And of course, those days are the days that, I was working until like 6 o'clock way up north. And so, it takes an hour to come home. So that's 7 o'clock, right? Then you got to eat, and then, you fall on your face and say, hey, well, guess what? That's the end of that. You want to go for a ride in the car or the motorcycle or fucking truck or blah, 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 whatever you want to do, but you can't. You can't, because time is the killer of all. So that's why I always say you gotta utilize your time as much as you can. So I kind of want to pass this guy, but it's fucking, as I said, raining. With my luck, I'm gonna hit one and it's gonna be like fucking rear end's gonna swing around and do a helicopter right into one of these posts or a house or something. It's like, no! Oh my God, I don't get it. This guy was driving so good. And, oh, there's a Challenger behind me. I better just completely slow the fuck right down. Because hooray for miracles, right? Olay. Oh, you know something? Well, there's the first send of the day. And I better slow the fuck down. My luck, there's gonna be like a fucking pile of cops just waiting there. There he is! Typical. I don't even know where the hell I am. Gonna keep driving north here. Alright. Oh, well, there's a red light. Simcoe Road. Ooh, line 5. I think we're looking at a house around here somewhere. Around here somewhere. Yeah. a tractor trailer that just pulled in front of me. Like, why not, right? So I get by Dingleberry over there that just drove by, and now there's a tractor trailer. Easy, girl, easy. I know, you want to go, I know, I get it. All right. Now we can go. It's a good little send. Look, that was a big compressor surge. My God. I don't know what's louder, the compressor surge or the blow-off valves, because I have two. Apparently running this much power, I require two blow-off valves instead of just one. So, awesome. Well, looks like we caught up to that truck that I was just complaining about at the light. It is what it is, I guess, folks. Line 6. Is this gonna be a dirt road, or what do you think? You know what? I'm gonna check it out. Watch, it's probably gonna be a dirt road, guaranteed. That guy's looking at me like, dude, you're nuts. Do not go down that road. It's forbidden. Oh yeah, I can already hear the sound. You know, I mean, just in general, I probably shouldn't be fucking goosing it like I am, because, I mean, the road is wet. It's actually a really nice turn. And again, the more north you go, the more turny and twisty and goofy it gets, so. Okay, well, this is good. I mean, it's not a dirt road, but it looks like there's some cow shit on the road. Fucking awesome. Fucking awesome. That'll go well in the turbo air filter there. That'll look great. What is that thing? Random fucking transformer that's sitting right there. Like, there's literally no house around it. There's nothing around it. That'd be cool if there was like a trap door and it was like a super secret base. Wow, what the fuck? I like going down roads that I've never driven on before. It's fun. Nice. Very nice. You know what else is nice? The fact that I'm gonna drop her in a second and fucking send one right here. Cause yeah, let's do it. Just singing. Stay. Stay. Good boy. That was fun. I know I kind of feel bad. The last video I did, I was really kind of stuck behind some people and I could not rip it. It's just too much traffic. And again, in the middle of nowhere, and there's traffic. Like, what does that tell you, right? What the fuck is that, and where the fuck does it go? Oh, well, guess what? We're not going that way. That's just a straight up dirt road, man. And it's a no exit. Let's see, which way should we go? Let's go this way. Oh, it's a red light, too. I mean, it was a green light. What am I talking about? Totally a green light. Send one. Oh, see, there's that throttle thing. Kind of just... It's literally, it's like, so I take my foot off the gas and it stays on the throttle and then doesn't know what to do with itself. So that's why I'm kind of happy it's wide open. This way I don't have to slam my brakes on and hope to high hell that I don't, you know, run into the person in front of me, right? Because why not? So that's why I'm thinking it's probably a great idea to switch the throttle body. I think the TPS sensor on this mofo is gonzo. Okay, I'm gonna be a nice guy. I'm gonna let this guy go. I was gonna just cut in front of him, but I was like, no, maybe not. Yeah. Anyways, gonna cut it here, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or don't like, but still subscribe. Probably just like. Ha. Anywho, we will see you next time.